Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be doing some spark plugs on my JL. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and don't forget to subscribe. So you want to take off this engine cover right here. It's two T30s right up in here in the front. And then you just pull it off of the little cups back here. So you just want to lift up. So once you get the engine cover off, there's still a lot of stuff in the way. Not really, but there's a lot of stuff. So the coils are right here. There's one, there's two right over here, three, and then four. So I'll show you how to take off the connector. So how I'm taking off the connectors with a screwdriver, straight tip, and a pick, such like this. All right, we're about to remove the connector. So you just want to slide this back some. You want to get underneath this tab right here. There we go. There's that tab right there. And they're all the same, so you got to do that for the rest of the three. So when you get to number 2, you're going to want to remove this hose right here, and then this connector you just want to pull up on this red clip. Pulled it up with the pick, and then you just push down on this middle button right here and pull it right out. And then this is pretty much the same as the coils. And once I remove this hose, we should be able to lift up the coil pretty easily. So I removed all the coils. The 10 millimeter does not remove or get removed from the coil, it just stays on there. We're going to be using a 5/8 socket, spark plug socket, to remove the spark plugs. Move this front one. We'll do live time right here. Break it loose right there. It's only 13 foot-pounds, so don't be alarmed if they feel a little loose to you. Okay. Now this is I think this is 58,800 miles. So, and you could see, let me try to get this thing focused here. All right, you could start seeing that the exhaust gases is coming through. That's what the spark plug looks like. So definitely, yep. About 60,000 miles or probably sooner, you definitely want to do the spark plugs on the 2.0 turbo. So these are the new spark plugs I'm using, some iridiums. It's the stock number and parts number right there. Sorry, there we go. All right, I'm about to install the new spark plug. So according to the box, with this style of spark plug, with the little crush washer right there, you run it all the way down until it stops, and then you do a half a turn. You go ahead and install this, make sure everything's good. I use a spark plug socket every time to help prevent from breaking the porcelain.
Lay down by hand. Okay, it stops right there.
All right, and then we'll do half a turn. Then it should be installed. Pretty much everything else is just reverse order of this, pretty simple. And what I like to use is a little bit of dielectric grease on the end of the coil boots. I haven't really used anti-seize in a really long time. I've never had any issues. I'm a previous Ford technician or master Ford tech or whatever, powertrain, diesel, all that. The only time I really ever used anti-seize was on the old 5.4, 3 valves or 2 valves. They always had issues. If you want to use it, go ahead, but I feel like you really don't need it. So as long as you follow the torque specs, you should be fine. So that is it. We got the spark plugs all done. Now we're good for another 60,000. So hopefully this video helps you guys out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.